You looking real good. Your New Year's resolutions, they working out. I'm here for it. High five. What's up, girls? Welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Tierra Monet, and I'm here to send all of my love to my royalties. We decided that was the name for the family. We just melanated and just queening and kinging and everything else in between, so definitely fitting. Royalties, definitely fitting. Benji, you gonna speak to your godmommies or not? Oh, okay, I think that was, oof, gee. Anyway, I don't want to ramble because I am notorious for rambling in the beginning of these videos. I apologize. So without further ado, let's jump right into this. I'm sure you guys are familiar with our packaging. It comes in this black regular box on the outside, cream on the inside. So it comes with this little blinking eye thingamajiggy. I'm guessing this is Kylie blinking at me. I'm going to try her velvet liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Grape Soda, and I actually really like the packaging for this. And the concealers of the hour. So I purchased 3 of the concealers, and they come in this box right here. So because I like to use the foundation sticks to contour and highlight, I'm gonna use the concealers in the same way because that's usually what I do. 1 layer of foundation and then 1 layer of highlight and contour to bring this face all the way in. We are snatching her for the gods above. So I got almond, cinnamon, and mocha. So this is what we are looking like, honey. This is kind of just, I don't know if it's like a lipstick or I don't know. Just, you know, it's different packaging. Right off the bat, this shade Almond is really streaky. It is giving me like Home Depot marble floor. I wouldn't want to put this on my face. Like, it just looks scary. And I'm gonna see if the camera can pick this up. Like, this is giving me liquid lipstick for real. It has a very faint smell, very reminiscent of something that would dry a pimple, which scares me. But hey, dual purpose concealer maybe. This definitely looks a little peachy, like a peachy brown. So I don't think this is gonna work for me. And then of course the one that I think is gonna work is our little marble friend. So I don't know. All right, guys, so I have almond, cinnamon, and mocha, and I'm loving how rich this mocha is. It's very nice. Honestly, I feel like this could work as a color corrector because it has that peachy salmon-like tone that I would prefer to use to correct with. This is actually not light enough for me, so I'm gonna start by priming using the same primer that I always use, my Becca Backlight priming filter. What I've been doing in the winter to just give me a little bit more glow is on top of that applying my shimmering skin perfector in the shade Opal. I'm gonna do that off camera and then come back and get right into this concealer. Okay, so we are back. The skin is glowing. We are looking very angelic in this lens right now. So we're gonna go with Almond, aka the marble concealer, because I feel like this is the lightest. I don't know why I feel like I'm putting liquid lipstick, like it's like a liquid lipstick challenge. Like, the smell is very weird, but it goes on nicely. Ooh, I just sounded just like Shayla. Hit that Cupid's bow. I definitely feel like this color, so on camera it doesn't look terrible, but in my mirror it definitely looks peachy, like it looks orange. So if we're gonna look peachy, just tie it in. I'm gonna go in with cinnamon and just pop it underneath and see what that looks like. Okay, cinnamon is definitely peach, but I did it on one side, I got to do it on the other. Next we're gonna go in with mocha. Oh, that is dark, hunty. But I'm not gonna re-dip because this is really dark. But I mean, I haven't re-dipped and this is going a long way. I don't know, I feel like I'm gonna regret putting it on my nose. I usually wouldn't use the same shade to contour my nose, but I gotta be fair. So that's what I'm gonna do. I definitely probably could have went 1 shade up. You know, for all of these to be like pinky and all that jazz is not too bad. Oh, that's dark. Okay, so mocha ain't it. This is dark. This is too much. I would not. Oh my god. Okay. I feel like it's just getting darker as I go. Am I crazy? I just feel like it started out light and it just gets dark. Major observation: a little of this stuff goes a long way. I'm gonna go back into my foundation because that is just too dark, and I gotta create some sort of transition. It's not gonna work. You're not gonna give up. You can do all things through Christ that strengthens you. Now my nose, I already know what's gonna happen. So I'm going to try to take some of this off. So oh, okay. All right, y'all, so I'm looking really dark, and I can't really blame Kylie for me choosing the wrong contour shade. Like, that's not her fault. So I'm totally gonna take that L. I probably could have went with Clove, but it really wasn't that far over from Mocha, so I was afraid that it would be too light. And then the next shade, it's really like, there's like a few shades missing, I feel like. The shade before Almond is Sassafras. And I mean, if any brown girl were to look at this on the website, you would definitely choose, this is Sassafras, this is how light it is. It definitely isn't a shade that a typical brown woman would use to conceal with. But if you go from to Almond, you guys can see how that, like, there's just a bunch of shades missing between Sassafras and Almond. Oh my God, my face is so dark. Oh! I usually don't bake, you guys know how I feel about it, but I'm baking today. I'm gonna bake and fill in these eyebrows, throw a little shadows on, and come back and see what we're working with together. Okay guys, so I am back, and I mean, I'm not mad. I definitely made this work. I'm definitely more matte than I usually would be because I don't bake, so maybe that's just what's weird. I'm not used to this being so matte under the eye. I feel like I just need to add some more highlight because I don't like a flat face, honey. Right now it is 4:32, so I will be back and I'll let you hope my hair stays. I'm not used to my head being out like this, but as Tyra Banks would say, character. It's character. All right, y'all, so it is 9:06 p.m. I still stand by the fact that these colors are all the way off, but this held up. I don't really have any creasing under the eye. I look fine. It just ain't my color. What does my face look like to you? Glam. It looks glam?
I can't tell.
No?
It's a little lighter on the top.
A little lighter? It's actually darker.
Looks light.
Yeah?
It's like you more chocolate.
Usually with the cream foundation that I use to highlight, it's usually a lot of creasing, but it's also a cream product. But for a liquid product, I think it did pretty good. I don't have like an unusual amount of dew, and I took a shower. Dang. So yeah, I don't know. I'm going to sleep. I'm so tired. He likes my makeup though. That's the crazy part. It's coming off. No? Or not. All right, y'all, so I went ahead and filmed this outro because I know I'm gonna lose my light and I wanted to look this snatched when I exit out this video, you know what I'm saying? Let's talk about coverage first. The Almond shade and the Mocha shade were two different formulas. It just felt different and went on different. The Mocha was definitely harder to blend. Let's talk about this shade range. Now, there are more than 8 shades of chocolate. You know, just like, you know, these companies will have, you know, 50 shades of beige. You know, there are 50 million shades of brown. Like, you know, so we need more than what is it, sapasate, whatever the name was in Almond. There were about 50 shades, not 50, I mean, I'm exaggerating, but there were so many shades in between Sassafras and Almond, and I fell in between that. Almond didn't work for me, and Sassafras definitely would have been too peachy. It was like a pale, it's a concealer for pale skin. It's not for my skin. So I definitely won't be reaching for these, and I'm a little disappointed because I don't think I can return them. Is my face doable? Can I go outside and get away with this? Absolutely. You know, I'm looking like I was sitting in the sun. It's cool. You know, I ain't mad. But I'm mad because that's $87, not including the lip kit. Let me take that out. But that's $60 plus shipping and handling and tax that I ain't gonna get back, you know. I mean, my hands finally match my face, but I'm not gonna spend my life trying to match my face to my hands. Like, you know, I'm gonna match my face to my neck, and they definitely do not match. It's definitely a workable concealer, just the shades don't work for me. It's pink, sis. Pink. I feel like a lot of brands are scrambling to be inclusive. A lot of brands are scrambling to include darker and deeper shades because it breaks the internet, because, you know, there is power in the black dollar after all. You know, when you make stuff for us, we buy it. But I think she definitely did this to avoid criticism. But I mean, for her, it's also damn if you do, damn if you don't. I think there's constructive criticism, and then there's like people that just straight up bash brands. I think the formula overall is decent. She can go back and reformulate and add more undertones. It's giving me like farm raised salmon. You know, like, it's farm raised salmon teas. This is what concealers used to look like when I used to look at drugstore concealers growing up. Like, anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. This lip gloss is from a black owned company. I just had to plug them because I'm loving it right now. It's from Be More Fabulous Cosmetics. Where is it? And it's so funny, I have a Chanel lip gloss that's so similar. I mean, my Chanel lip gloss looks smack like this, but this just has like a rose gold finish to it. I just love it. Look at that. Look at that. And it smells good too. It smells good. If you guys haven't subscribed, I mean, like, what we doing? Be sure to thumbs up this video. Let me know below what product you want me to review next. Bye.